Hey guys, so I've just added a new app to my app collection. Of course, I have this list of native desktop application where you can download them and use them for your daily applications, daily tasks. So I have this Moshe Date. This is an application that can help you to track uh, dates of your clients, people, or any other item. So just basically just download the application from here, and then since I've already downloaded it and then it's already installed, we have this desktop icon. So when you open it, you're going to have this simple application. We have the dates and the payment section. So just add a date. Let's say, for example, I can add my name. Let's say Clinton Moshe. Then I can add my phone number. Then I can add the amount. Maybe this guy owes me 5,000. Then after adding, you can add as many customers as possible. So assuming that this guy has started to make payments, just come and select the person. Let's say they have paid 1,000. And as you can see, as you add, it's going to display the balance here. And when we come back here, the balance should also be updated. Let's say he has added another 500. Submit, and you can also delete. And the date, the balance is being updated. So the more you add the payments, and add another more payment. Let's say, for example, 1,500. The balance now should be 2,000. Then I can add maybe the last 2,000 here, 2,000, so that we see that this person has completed their payment. So you can add more people. Let's say I can add maybe Peter, James, their phone number. Let's say it's 10,000. Then for the payments, just come and select here. Let's say they've paid 2,000. The balance is 8,000. So basically that's the application. So these are the kind of apps I built that can help you in your day-to-day activities. It's using a database, SQLite database. So it's just here in your local machine. So thanks guys, and see you in the next application.